Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products so you don't end up buying a toaster when you need a drone. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's going to blow your mind. On the left, we have the DEERC Drone D70, the pocket-sized powerhouse. And on the right, the Techwonderz drone with camera, the obstacle-dodging daredevil. Let's dive right in and see which one's going to make you the next aerial photography sensation. All right, first up, let's talk money. The DEERC D70 is priced at a wallet-friendly $79. Meanwhile, the Techwonderz is like that friend who always orders the most expensive thing on the menu, coming in at $129. So if you're looking to save some cash for, I don't know, pizza, the DEERC D70 is your buddy. Now, let's get to the cameras. The DEERC D70 sports a 1080 PhD camera. But wait, the Techwonderz says, hold my propeller. It's packing dual 1080 PhD cameras with a front camera that rotates 90 degrees and a 50x zoom. Reviewers praise the Techwonderz for its superior image quality, making it perfect for capturing detailed shots. On the other hand, the DEERC D70's camera quality is decent, but expected for its price range. User-friendliness is key, especially if you're like me, and your coordination is best described as enthusiastic but misguided. The DEERC D70 is perfect for beginners with features like one-key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, and headless mode. Reviewers find it easy to fly and great for learning. The Techwonderz, on the other hand, takes it up a notch with optical flow positioning and even more beginner-friendly features. It's like having a drone that's also your personal drone coach. Let's talk about fun because that's why we're all here, right? The DEERC D70 offers 360 degrees flips, high-speed rotation, and circle fly. You can even control it with your voice or throw it to launch. Reviewers say it provides hours of fun and is very durable. But Techwonderz isn't backing down. It's got 360 degrees flips and rolls, waypoint functions, and even follow me mode. Yes, it literally follows you around like a loyal puppy. Just make sure it doesn't follow you into the shower. When it comes to portability, the DEERC D70 is the size of your palm when folded. You can carry it around in your pocket, and it's super easy to take anywhere. Reviewers love its compactness and ease of transport. The Techwonderz isn't as pocket-sized, but makes up for it with robust build quality and those snazzy dual cameras. So if you're James Bond on a budget, DEERC D70 is your pick. If you're okay with a slightly bigger gadget, Techwonderz is ready for action. Battery life can make or break your drone adventures. The DEERC D70 doesn't specify its flight time, but reviews suggest around 15 minutes. Techwonderz, though, is flexing with a whopping 50 minutes of flight time. That's enough time to film a mini-movie or just impress your friends until their drone batteries die. Both drones have received positive feedback from users. The DEERC D70 is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and durability, making it a great choice for beginners. On the other hand, the Techwonderz drone is lauded for its advanced features, superior camera quality, and longer battery life, appealing to those looking for a more feature-rich experience. So there you have it. The DEERC D70 is your budget-friendly, pocket-sized fun machine, while the Techwonderz is the feature-packed, long-lasting aerial ace. Which one should you buy? Well, that depends on your needs and, of course, your wallet. Let us know in the comments which drone you'd choose and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy flying, and remember, buy smart. Product links are in the description.